So please watch this video till end. This video will be very interesting. Please watch this video till end. Like this video, subscribe our channel for more educational videos and unboxing videos. Watch the intro. See friends, I have taken out this pen from its packet and here are its 2 ink cartridges. In ink pen, 2 cartridge came. Now first we will open it, then we will open this one and then take one cartridge. I will pull here in this pen. Now the cartridge is fixing this part. Now we will close the ink pen. So you can keep this cartridge with you. If this cartridge will over, then you can use this one. And in market, such that this cartridge came. Okay? So we will test now. I will bring the notebook. Friends, now we will test this. One minute, friends. See, friends. Now we will write. Friend, now I will show you what I have written. See. I have written World of Education 0.5 Art Channels. Name. Now you can write